Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got a Redmi Note 10 and I have flashed the GSI latest build on this mobile phone. The fingerprint scanner is working. The face unlocking is working very fast and perfectly. Voltage OS Android 15. The Voltage OS version is 4.2. This is the developer name. If I tap the Android 15, here are the details. Android version 15, Voltage OS version is 4.2. Device that I got, Mojito Sunny both, and baseband version. The build date, if you can read, 20th March, Thursday. This is the build date. While the Redmi Note 10 is actually stuck with the Android 12, there will be no stock official Android version will be releasing for the Redmi Note 10. But if you want, you can unlock the bootloader and you can still flash the custom ROM and update the mobile phone to Android 15. AOSP camera is provided with this ROM, which is working fine. The rear camera and the front camera both are working. The incoming calls and the outgoing calls, yes, it is happening and we can record calls without an announcement. Well, after flushing the ROM, straightly log in your Gmail account and start downloading the applications straightly from the Google Play Store. Because this ROM is coming with pre-install gaps, we do not need to install gaps separately. These are the built-in applications that are pre-installed and coming with the ROM. Incoming SMS and outgoing SMS, yes, they are both working. The AOSP ROM will always be faster than the stock ROM. Yes, they are, and you will have a speed and performance with a good battery life with the AOSP ROM. There is a modification section which names Power Hub. We can modify the ROM. If you like to have some change on the ROM, you can come to this section and you can modify the ROM. This is the control center and notification center, which is coming with this build, the GSI build. And this GSI build can be installed on any Android mobile phone. But right now, this ROM is booted on my 3 mobile phones. Going to settings, then going to system, you will find here this settings. If I tap over here, so we can get more modifications, and in case if any options not working, you can come here and check it out. If there is fix available within this section, you can just turn on or turn off. If something is not working, we can modify from here. Well, how to flash the GSI build, the Voltage OS on the Redmi Note 10? Well, you need to have an Unlock Bootloader. If you do not have Unlock Bootloader, do not flash any custom ROM. First, unlock the bootloader, then watch the further video. Do not forget to like the video if you are getting help from my videos, and also if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then just click or tap the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Links are provided in my video description. Click the links and download these files. This is the Voltage OS, the GSI build for Xiaomi mobile phone, for Samsung mobile phone, or any other Android phone, but you need to check the A-B slot, right? And we need to download platform tools. After downloading, extract the ROM file in same folder, then extract the platform tools file in same folder, then open the extracted folder of the ROM. Then you will see an image file in this folder. Copy the image file from here. Either if you want to cut or copy, I will cut the file from here. We'll go back to my downloaded folder and open the extracted folder of the platform tools. Paste the file here and then select the file, press F2, erase the file. Do not erase the extension like .img is supposed to be there. Just give a name system system.img. Press enter key. Now right click on CMD, Then left click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes on next pop-up window. The command window will open. You need to check the mobile phone battery. It must be charged. Save all the internal storage data because the data will get formatted. In case if your mobile phone is having any Xiaomi or MIUI ROM or stock ROM, and in case if you have logged in your Xiaomi account, sync your Xiaomi account once, must remove to avoid issues. Go to Security and Privacy, then Device Unlock, and tap the Screen Lock, then turn it off by selecting Swipe. Go to the Google account, sync your Google account once, must remove the Google account to avoid issues later on. These are the things that we have to do before starting the procedure. If you have done all these things, then you can simply power off the mobile phone. Data cable is required. Check the other side of the data cable must be connected with computer. Use a good quality of data cable. If your computer have USB port of 2.0, I will suggest to connect the other side of this cable with the USB port 2.0. Now we will boot the mobile phone into fast boot mode. Remember, mobile phone must be having an unlock bootloader. Press and hold the volume down key, then connect the cable with the mobile phone. A fast boot screen will get appears, then release the volume down key. Right. So the phone is connected with the computer, booted into fast boot mode. Now here what I would like your concentration. On the command window, first we will type the command. We will boot the mobile phone in fast boot, the another fast boot. This is already a fast boot, but we have to boot another fast boot, for which we have to give command fast boot space reboot space fast boot, enter. You will see that mobile phone will reboot and it will boot it back into fast boot, but this time the fast boot will be changed, will have a different color. Okay, so it is in blue color, and this is actually fast booted, BOOTD. Flashing the GSI build on the Xiaomi mobile phone is not that difficult. Well, I have provided the commands in my video description. You need to go to the video description and copy the commands from there. First, copy the first command from the description, come to the command window, press Ctrl V, yes, done. Then go back to the description, copy the second command from there, come to the command window, press Ctrl V, done. I will minimize this, and now type command fastboot space -W, press enter key, done. Now we have to erase the system partition, fastboot space erase space system, enter key, done. Now we will start flashing the GSI build. For that, type the command fastboot space flash space system dot img, press enter key. Now we have to wait. The flashing will start it soon. It will take a little time, so we have to wait. Okay, flashing done. Now type the command fastboot space reboot, press enter key, and we are done from the computer. Disconnect the cable when you see Mi logo from the mobile phone. The mobile phone will stay for on Mi logo for a while, and then it will start booting to the GSI build very soon. The first boot will not take that much time. Still, we have to wait. Finally, first boot completed. I will complete the setup screen. Well, after completing the setup screen, we will get a beautiful wallpaper, and you can see that I got the my SIM card inserted and the LTE is working. Finally, the ROM got flashed very smoothly. We'll go to settings, then we'll go to about phone or about device. Yes, this is the GSI build, VoltageOS Android 15. On VoltageOS version is 4.2. Build status, you can read that. Well, I got the GSI build on my Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.